Gary hates the camera.
He loves the camera. Much like you. Much like his father. So this is Thatcher. And it was just... How does that saying go? A matter of time. That he be featured in our vlogs.
What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, I've got flowers and lots of hours to spend with you.
Look at the camera. Look. Psst, 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 psst. Look. Look, Thatcher.
He's not very bright.
Thatcher's into recovery right now. He's in his recovery.
He's not recovered. He's in prison.
So this is Thatcher's recovery station from his broken pelvis, his fractured pelvis, which we still don't know how he did that. And he is not talking.
Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do.
We speak cat.
Meow! Meow, meow!
Fine. Don't talk to me.
He looks so depressed. He has been in here almost 2 months. The vet told us that we should keep him confined so he doesn't jump or run around. We do let him out quite a bit, but he has been in solitary confinement for quite some time. Thatcher! And he hates it. Oh, he hates it. But his pelvis is healing up quite nicely, and therefore the $1,000 surgery might not have to be done.
What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, you're so thrilling, and I'm so willing to care for you. So go and make up your big little pussycat.